Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Bellemain Meat Pounder. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it, so let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. This meat pounder is made of solid iron beneath stainless steel, which makes it quite sturdy and heavy duty. Just out of curiosity, I actually weighed it, and this meat pounder weighs almost 2 pounds, which is pretty sturdy. The handle is made of non-slip rubber that I can easily grip without worrying about the meat tenderizer slipping out of my hands or for it to cause any strains on my wrist. Here you can see 2 pieces of meat side by side. I will tenderize one and I will leave the other one so that we can see the difference. To use it, all I need to do is place the meat on the cutting board and pound it with the meat tenderizer. I personally like to wrap my meat with saran wrap just so that I can prevent any meat juices from splashing all over my kitchen. After the tenderizing step, you can see that the meat is thinner, and it also has an even thickness throughout the entire piece of meat, which is very helpful to make sure that I can cook the meat evenly, rather than having one side of the meat much thicker than the rest of the meat. I use soap and warm water to hand wash the pounder once I am done using it. Overall, I really like how sturdy this meat pounder is compared to my previous one that kind of looks like a hammer. It has a good weight to it, and I am able to use it to tenderize all kinds of meats for softer, more evenly cooked meals. If you are looking for a reliable and easy way to tenderize your meat, you'll definitely want to take a look at this.